Hey, just welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what these are is a solar pathway light. And for the one that we got right here is from a brand called Solpex. And this is what the package looks like when you guys first get in. Let me just open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. So the first thing you see inside, they do probably got the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right in that, we do have the product. So the one that I got right here, it does come in a pack of 16 of them, and all of them are the same. So let's take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like, since all of them are the same. So once we do take out one of them, in the very bottom, they do probably got some poles or some shafts. So you're gonna take out one of them since all of them are the same as well. Alright, so once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So you see the material that's on the product, it is super high quality, it is stainless steel. And the way how you guys use it is actually very simple. You guys can pull out the bottom part like this and flip it around. So that way you can insert into your grass or your pathway or anywhere else. And what you have to do is insert this into the bottom. So just like that. Top part of the product, we do have the solar panel for you to recharge the product. On the side right here, we do have the plastic part. And if it's the first time using the product, you do want to open up. So just like this. So you guys want to take that part out. And what you're going to do is turn it on. So just like that. So the middle part right there is an LED light that will turn on when you guys do use it. But you do have the option to turn it off if you guys do want to. But basically how the product works, it does turn on in a dark setting, and during the daytime it will turn off. So right now you see how it is off, but we do cover the solar panel. It does turn on, and once I do let go, it does turn off. But once you guys do put it on, you guys can close it back up. So just like that, and that is basically what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. And for this product, when you guys do use it, it doesn't matter where you guys do set it up, because the product is water resistant or waterproof. It is heat resistant, fog resistant, and also frost resistant as well. So basically works for all kind of weather. But when you guys do use the product, you do want to put it in direct sunlight in order for you to use it. Because if you guys don't put it in direct sunlight, it cannot charge up. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's bring this over to a dark setting to show you guys what the product looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do use a bright setting. Let me turn off the light to show you guys what it actually looks like. So once you guys do turn off the light, this is what the product looks like. So you see how it does give you guys a pretty good coverage when you guys do set it up. So that way if you guys do use as a pathway light, it does look pretty good. And then once you guys do turn back on the light, it does turn off. So really cool how it does turn off and turn on by itself depending on the brightness level that's coming onto the actual solar panel. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. And we see it does work. Welcome back, guys. So now it's a quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. And we see how when we do turn off the light, it does turn on. And once we do turn on the light, it does turn off. And we see when you guys use the product, it does give you guys a pretty good coverage, so that way you can see where they're going, because the product basically works as a pathway light, like I mentioned. So whether if you guys want to set this up in your backyard or your front door, however you guys want to use it or wherever you want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But we see it does work pretty well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it on. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market are looking for some high quality solar pathway light that give you guys that very nice design or modern look to it that has like that stainless steel material, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't even want or have to want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.